welcome back, you guys, to the next part. I don't know if this is 4 or 5 right now, because I've made a few of these, but I just wanted to mention that me and his name is Ahmed, this AHMED on Fiverr, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you guys can actually check his Fiverr account out, and if you need assistance with programming for an esp32 or basically any Arduino microprocessor, he'll be able to assist you with it. So the reason why I'm helping this guy out is because he helped me out with home automation, and he was also able to get onto my laptop using the application called AnyDesk. And the AnyDesk app, he was inside of the laptop and adjusting the Arduino IDE app, not the web cloud that he was been using since we first started. So it turns out that he had to uninstall the libraries for the Foxmo and then reinstall the version that he got it to work. Usually, I don't know what version it is, what number the version is, but he uninstalled the version that I had on here, and then he installed the version that he got it everything working basically. So I'm gonna show you really quick. I'm gonna reverse here. So I got this HP ZBook laptop that I'm using. It's a workspace or whatever laptop, I believe. And I have the Arduino IDE over there. And I do have the code. And then if you guys are wanting the code, all you would have to do is ask me in the description. And then I will probably sell it for like $5 to $10. And then you guys will be able to actually get the code. And all you have to do is just edit the file for your original your Wi-Fi name and password. So other than that, I just wanted to mention that. And now that I'm done explaining some things, I want to show you this one ESP32. I have plenty of them right now, and plenty of relays, as you can see, but this one ESP32 is set up for my Ender 3 3D printer. And it's connected to 2 different relays, as you can see right here. So I'm not using my desktop computer like I was talking about on the first part of this little episode here. So because I'm not worried about using my computer to turn on wirelessly or whatever, because I'm not using that computer really. I'm using my laptops right now. Anyway, either way, I just wanted to mention that. So now I only have this one ESP32 connected to 2 different relays, as you can see right here. They both got a red LED light because they have power going from negative and positive to the VCC and the ground wire connections. Anyway, so now that I'm done explaining, let me just get you to see the Amazon Echo Dot turn on these relays. So I have my Amazon Echo Dot Gen 1 right over there onto my dresser here, and I'm going to tell her to turn on the Ender 3, and it's going to turn on both of these relays here. Alexa, turn on Ender 3 3D printer. And you can see both of the green LED lights turned on, and you heard the click. So that's the electromagnet making the connections. So now that that's on, now I'm going to tell her to shut it off. Alexa, turn off Ender 3 3D printer. And there you go. Both LED lights turned off. So that is working just fine. So now that we're done with the Ender 3, this ESP32 that I have on the side here is connected to only one relay switch, and this is for the longer LK5 Pro. That is basically the CR10 or Creality CR10 clone from the longer company that I've been talking about a lot these last 2 years here. So this relay switch is going to be for the toggle switch that's on the longer LK5 Pro to plug in and turn on wirelessly. So let me just pause the video. I'm gonna unplug this. I'm gonna unplug the ESP32 that has the Ender 3 that's connected to these two relays, and then plug in the longer LK5 Pro right here. And like I mentioned earlier on this part here, if you want the code, let me know in the comments and I will sell it for between $5 to $10 roughly. And then all you have to do is edit the SSID and your Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi name and the password that's on it. So that way you can have it set up for your 3D printer in your house or whatever home automation you're trying to do. Either way, other than that, I'm going to pause the video really quick, unplug, using my two hands, unplug the Ender 3 ESP really quick, and then plug in the longer LK5 Pro ESP. And then we'll show you that the longer LK5 Pro works. Alright guys, so I unplugged the Ender 3 ESP32 circuit with the firmware basically, with the code basically that controls both of those relays over there. And I plugged in the longer LK5 Pro ESP32 firmware basically onto this ESP right here with the one relay. So now I'm going to tell Alexa to turn it on. You'll see a green LED light right over here. Alexa, stop listening. So then I'm going to turn on this green. You'll see when I tell her to turn it on, it'll turn on this green LED right here. And then when I tell her to turn it off, it'll turn back clear and off. So here we go. Alexa, turn on longer 3D printer. There you go. You can see that the green LED light is on. Alexa, turn off longer 3D printer. And there you go. Shut off. So now I got two ESP32s connected for basically any of my 3D printers for the most part. And then if I need to, I can just edit the coding or edit the name on the Amazon Echo Dot app, the Alexa app basically. And so this works just fine, and now I'm going to have everything running. And you'll probably see on future videos about me adding the relay and the circuit to the longer LK5 Pro and my Ender 3. My Ender 3 is on the bottom shelf, and my longer is on the middle shelf, and then my Olaprint is on the top shelf up here. So I have 3 shelves basically for each 3D printer. And I'm doing all this because I like home automation, and it'll make it easier that I don't have to worry about turning on the switch to turn on all the 3D printers. And then also the reason why I have 2 of these relays set up for the Ender 3 is for the actual Raspberry Pi's Octoprint that I have over there on the side of the longer right here. So I may set up one of those relays just to be the actual power strip that's connected to the Octoprint here. So I may have, it's just like the Kasa, they have this website, this company called Kasa, Kasa, I believe, or something like that. And I have the Kasa 6 outlet connection, and it connects to the Amazon Echo Dot. So I may design my own version of the Kasa and have it control like a power strip. It may not be 6 ports. It'll probably just be like a power strip that has like 5 to 6 ports on it, but it'll only be able to control the one whole power strip. Either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And like I said before I get off, make sure if you do want to get somebody to help you with coding, if you have an idea or something that has to do with Arduino, check out the link in the description for the seller, the Amazon the Fiverr freelancer called Ahmed, Ahmed. That's his name, and you'll be able to see his gig, and you can order him, ask him to help you with your code, and just pay him for the services. Either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And check out that description if you want to see it. Goodbye.